Hello student, today we will do activity number 2 of class 9, which is from chapter 3 coordinate geometry. Objective of this activity is to obtain the mirror image of a given geometrical figure with respect to x-axis and y-axis. Previous knowledge, as you know, how we can plot the points on graph paper, what is Cartesian system, and the perpendicular distance between the mirror and the image of a point P is equal to the perpendicular distance between the point P and the mirror. Materials required, you need graph paper, pencil, eraser, ruler and mirror. Let's see what is the procedure of this activity. Draw any figure on the graph paper in first quadrant, say a figure of stairs. As you can see here student, this is the graph paper and this is your Cartesian system, and in this first quadrant this stair type figure is shown. And for making these staircases, you take these points A 3, 0, B 3, 1, C 2, 1, D 2, 2, E 1, 2, F 1, 3 and G 0, 3. After that we will join all these points. It means A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F and F to G, and you will get stair figure. And consider y-axis as a mirror. Now we will consider y-axis as a mirror, and then we will fold this graph paper along this y-axis, and we will get mirror image of all these points in second quadrant. As you can see here, the mirror image of this point A is A dash, mirror image of B is B dash, C is C dash, mirror image of D is D dash, mirror image of E is E dash, mirror image of F is F dash, and mirror image of G is G dash only. And the coordinates of G and G dash are same because this G points is lying on the y-axis. Join all these points A dash to B dash, B dash to C dash, C dash to D dash, D dash to E dash, E dash to F dash and F dash to G dash. Now repeat the process with respect to x-axis. It means now we will fold our graph along this x-axis. In that case, we will get all the mirror images of these points in fourth quadrant. As you can see here student, this mirror image of this point A is A dash, which is the same point because this point A is lying on the x-axis. Mirror image of this B is B dash, C is C dash, mirror image of D is D dash, mirror image of E is E dash, mirror image of F is F dash and mirror image of G is G dash. Now we will get all the image point in fourth quadrant. So student, as you can see here, this first graph shows the mirror images with respect to y-axis. In this case, we will get all the mirror images of first quadrant in second quadrant, and this is the mirror image of with respect to x-axis. In this graph, we will get all the mirror images of first quadrant in fourth quadrant. Note down all the coordinates of images along y-axis and x-axis. Record them in observation tables. Let's see the observation tables. Student, table number 1, image along y-axis. These are the coordinates of all the points which we represent in first quadrant, and we get the images in second quadrant. A 3, 0, mirror image of A is A dash minus 3, 0. Mirror image of B is B dash minus 3, 1. As you can see here student, in all these points, X coordinate is changing their sign. Let's see table number 2. This is the table number 2, image along x-axis. This is the points, and now here we are finding image along x-axis. So here the mirror image of A is A dash, that is 3, 0, same because A point is lying on the x-axis. Mirror image of B 3, 1 is B dash 3, minus 1. mirror image of C dash 2 comma minus 1. As you can see here student, in along x axis y coordinates are changing their sign. This is our observation. So what we get result? We have obtained the mirror images of figures along x-axis and y-axis. And what are the learning outcomes? Mirror image with respect to x-axis, in this case, image of pxy becomes px comma minus y. It means y coordinate will change their sign. Thus, to find the image of any point along the x-axis, we keep the x coordinate same and sign of y coordinate gets changed. Second learning outcome, mirror image with respect to y-axis. In this case, image of pxy become p minus xy. Thus, to find the image of any point along the y-axis, we keep the y coordinate same and sign of x coordinate gets changed. This is very important result student. Now this is your activity time. Plot given points on a graph paper and plot the mirror images of these points along x-axis and y-axis on the same graph paper. And these are the points P6, 0, Q6, 3, R4, 5, S2, 3, T2, 0 and U4, 2. And list your observation on the observation table.